Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. This is Gani on your tongue fix channel. Don't forget to subscribe so we could grow together on this YouTube journey. So on this video, I'm talking about is it tag important on your video attribute? As you can see, we offered by YouTube to key in several attributes. For instance, this one, anything, and then you can see this is the very huge box called tags. Is it important? Let see. I read to you what YouTube said officially. So when I click learn more, this is the explanation how important tags are. So add text to your YouTube videos, blah blah blah. Tags are descriptive, blah blah blah. I just skip note. Adding excessive tags to your video description is against our policies or on spam, deceptive practices, and scams. So you no need to input too many tags, but the strange is I think it's weird because if YouTube said like that on this documentation, how come they put maximum character on the tags? So for me, I believe is it fine for you to input tags up to 500 characters? Okay, let's go back to the documentation. Tags are descriptive keywords you can add to your video to help viewers find your content. Your video's title, thumbnail, and description are more important. Title, thumbnail, and description are more important. Yes, believe me, on my experience, text is not really important compared to title, thumbnail, and then description. Those three are the most important. If beside your content itself, beside the context and then the video, those three are really supportive to your content to make your video exposure video on YouTube. Pieces of metadata of your video's discovery. So this is the metadata to make the discovery easier for YouTube to discover your content. These main pieces of it to help viewers decide which video to watch. Okay, tags can be useful if the content of your video is commonly misspelled. So for instance, if I said tags and then text, maybe you misheard that I tag or text because my pronunciation is not really good, etc. etc. This is misleading. It could be misleading. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in your video's discovery. So you can read by yourself, but I would conclude how important tag is, unless your content would be misleading. I don't know what content you create. Is it misleading to someone? Maybe it's supposed to be like this, it's supposed to be like that, but I don't know, because in my experience I never create a misleading content. And once again, unless your content could be misleading to audience or to the context, anything, it not so important. But if it is misleading, text is important. However, however, I want to mention that at least TubeBuddy, very cool stuff, very cool software on YouTube journey. TubeBuddy and then FeedIQ. I'm not really like FeedIQ, but it's okay, it's fine. TubeBuddy, FeedIQ, and then others YouTubers said that tags is really important. Even TubeBuddy has a score that if you don't have any text, your video score will be low. That's why I think TubeBuddy, FitIQ, others, why they think like that, why they calculated that text is so important. I think something behind them, something behind their decision, something behind the feature that make tags is so important. So YouTube said that it's not really important. Best practices from TubeIQ, vidIQ, and then other YouTubers, it is important. And then actually it is easy to make. If you create using ChatGPT, no more than 1 minute, you can create your own text very easy. So that's why I think why not you put text on your video. even if YouTube said it's not really important. And then on the other side, the experts said it is important. And then how to doing that is really easy. It's nothing to lose using ChatGPT. So I conclude that why not? So for me, I will, as per now, I will always put tags on my YouTube video because it's easy. Expert says, expert said that is it important? Even if YouTube said not really important. That's it. And then if you want to know how to, if you want to how to create text easily using ChatGPT, please click on the link description below. I'll put the how to create YouTube text using ChatGPT. Really easy, and the prompt is really easy, very easy. Less than 1 minute, you can get your text 500 characters easily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so we can grow together on this YouTube journey. See you on the next video. Bye bye.